Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this lifted 4x4 Econoline camper van, and we're building a rear bumper with dual swing arms. I will never get tired of seeing these 4x4 lifted Econolines in the shop. I love these things so much, almost as much as the Land Rover Discovery series. But anyways, like I said, in this video, we are building a rear bumper. I'm gonna put the picture right up here so you guys can get an idea of what the finished product is gonna look like. This design is a pretty simple design, and it's gonna hold a tire on the driver's side and a storage box on the passenger side. First things first, let's remove this rear bumper. At first I thought these were sensors, but it looks like these are just plugs, so those aren't really going to be a problem. We do also have this sensor here, which has been unplugged, and this one over here that also is unplugged, and this center one. First I'm going to unbolt this, and then I'll take these bolts off of the back of the bumper, and we can get this thing off. All right, now we have a blank canvas to work with. The first thing I'm going to start with are the frame mounts right here, and then I'll move on to the body. Once the body is complete, we'll start up both of the swing arms. The rest of the process from this point forward is all fabrication. And I'm sure you've guessed it, but I've turned the following process into a little montage for your viewing pleasure. So I will see you once this bumper is complete, painted, and we are about to install it. All right, here is the finished bumper and all of the accessories going on this bumper. Fresh out of powder coating, nice flat finish. Now the next step is going to be removing this bumper once again, and then we can install this completed setup. Here we have the completed rear bumper with dual swing arms for this super cool Quigley Econoline camper van. Before I wrap this video up, I want to show you just how far these open up. Once the lock is off, we just slide this up and then we can open up the tire carrier. Same setup for the cargo arm. Just swing it out. And once we have them in position, we just drop a pin. If you're wondering why we built this to swing out so far, it's so that we can have both doors completely open. And with both doors open, you have all of the original space to be able to load anything into the van. You'll see I've also added this padding here, and that is just in case this door gets pushed back and hits the swing arm, be it the wind or getting pushed into it by accident. This right here is not only going to protect the powder coating on the cargo arm, but also the door as well, so we don't make metal on metal contact. And same with the tire carrier. And that concludes this rear bumper build for this Quigley Econoline camper van. I really hope you guys enjoyed this build as much as I did, and I really like how the powder coating turned out on this bumper too. Actually, it's the first thing I've ever gotten powder coated for Cheetah Death Fabrication, and I think it turned out pretty fucking awesome. Looks aside, now he's going to be able to carry some more gear outside of the van instead of on the inside of the van, taking up space. This cargo arm right here was built to carry a storage box, and you saw the tray that I installed, which is built to fit 2 gas cans that can be strapped in place. Not only that, but this tire carrier right here also gives him the ability to carry a bigger tire if in the future he decides to upgrade. I still have some work to do on this thing, so I'm gonna get off of here. Stay tuned for more videos because we just got a Jeep Liberty that we're gonna be building a front bumper and rear bumper setup for. You can see more of that on the Instagram page, Facebook page, and also TikTok, as I post updates on those pages more than I can on YouTube, because these YouTube videos are for an entire build and not the behind the scenes stuff and in the progress stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next fabrication video.